What's going on, y'all? I want to welcome you back to the Raw Report. And today I want to speak on the lie that a lot of you guys are out there feeling like you're out here, you're alone in this world. All you got is yourself. What if the reason you're feeling like you're alone isn't pressure? What if it's the isolation that's making you feel like you're alone? Because yes, a man feels strong, but that's until life starts to life. When life starts life, and if you by yourself, it's hard to feel strong when you out there by yourself. Like I said, the lie isn't that you're weak. The lie is you're supposed to do it alone. It's just not true. Anything that you can do alone, you can do it better with somebody. And I know I'm going against conventional wisdom, but I'm going against culture's wisdom, but I'm trying to tell you, we was never meant to do this stuff by ourselves. Every single man, I don't care who you are, hits a season when effort just isn't enough. We all done grinded hard. We did everything in our power to get to wherever it is we're trying to go, and it still ain't working. That's because you're trying to do it by yourself. Somebody that's already done that thing can help you get there faster. But we, like I said, they got us, I don't want to say falling in love, but it's like we fell in love with the grind, the culture, like that's a cool thing, and really all it's doing is burning us out. We get to a point where we stop talking to other people. We stop checking in. The whole thing is always, we'll handle it. I got it. I'm good. Don't worry about it. But from the outside to other people, you look independent. He's strong. He doing what he got to do. So it looks like you got it all together. But inside, if we being honest, you carrying more than you need to carry. And you know it, but I guess the pressure that other people make you feel like you're winning has you not seeing that thing clearly. The accountability it isn't control. It's alignment. You have to be accountable to somebody, to yourself, to maybe your spouse, your girl. You got to be accountable to somebody. You can't be the only person that's holding yourself accountable. It doesn't work that way. And even if it's like, it can be the homeboys, it can be a brotherhood. Brotherhood don't replace strength, it multiplies it. And I'm not telling you that all brotherhoods will accomplish this, but I will say you this: all brotherhoods accomplish something. It just depends on if it's the right thing, a good thing, or if it's a wrong thing. But they accomplish something. But lone wolves, they don't build legacies, if we just being honest. They survive, but it ends up fading out at some point. Iron sharpens iron. The Bible say that. And so that basically means when iron sharpens iron, men are basically seen when they're sharpened. Because if another man is sharpening you, you sharpening him, both of y'all are holding each other accountable to what it is y'all need to be doing. And both of y'all are seen on both sides. It's not just you holding yourself up. Just something to think about. If no one can question you or no one can correct you, who's holding you accountable? And I know a lot of y'all gonna say, I hold myself accountable. To what standard? That'll be my next question. What standard? I'm not saying your standard is not a good standard. It might be a high standard, but you might have more. And you'll never know that if you're holding yourself to a comfortable standard. If no one knows your standard, you're basically, at some point, you're going to start slowly lowering it to make the standard work every single time. You're not holding yourself to a higher standard because you always go lower to make sure that you meet the standard. And if I'm being honest with y'all, isolation feels like freedom. But that's only until the discipline erodes. When the discipline goes away, it feels like you're stuck. It feels like it gotta be more to life than this. That's exactly what it feels like. It just feels like it's something that you're missing. That's because you're isolated. And at the end of the day, that's why you need to connect with some brothers, some people that's moving in the right direction. When I'm saying brotherhood, it don't necessarily mean just guys. It can be women too, but you need some type of connection that's we all pushing each other forward, because that's where the truth starts to confront you. Confront you before life does. Because if you got other people that's checking you, and not necessarily checking you don't have to be a bad thing. I mean checking you to make sure that you doing what you said you was gonna do. And we all make mistakes. Sometimes we don't follow through. But if you got somebody that's checking you, they basically holding you accountable to your why. You said you want to do this. They didn't come ask you to do this. You said you want to do it. So if it's something you want to do and somebody's holding you accountable to it, you can't get mad at them. At the end of the day, you got to get mad at yourself and check yourself so you can start moving forward. So the thing, I just wanted to speak to this about us men out here feeling like you on your own. You on your own because you put yourself there on your own. You don't have to be. Like I said, you got to tap in with God. Y'all already know I'm gonna tell you that. But you got to become part of some community. You got to get some brothers and sisters that's speaking life into you, because we have enough things that's pulling from us and taking from us every day that's making us feel like we on our own. And when we continue going that path, we make the journey way longer than it have to be. So what I want you to do this week is identify one man, one community, something that you know you can speak plainly to, and they not gonna judge you. They go help you and give you some solid advice so you can start to pull yourself up. Because at the end of the day, it starts with you. Nobody can do for you like you can. But it's gonna start with a decision. You gotta make the decision. You can keep blaming other people. They didn't do this, they ain't got that. My environment is this and that. All of that sounds good, but at the end of the day, you are the total sum of your decisions. So you got to start making better decisions. Stop looking for the followers, the fans, a witness. None of that matters. The only thing that matters is you making a better decision for you. Because, and what I mean by a better decision for you is stop isolating yourself from the world. Find that accountability partner and tell them where you slipping before you fall, so they can give you some some better advice, I guess, some type of game to get you back on track. Basically, is what I'm saying. Your strength grows where accountability is welcome. And I know it's a hard thing to need accountability, but one thing I will say is a lot of these people that's out here that's successful, or what you would call successful. I'm talking about in business, entrepreneurship, whatever you think. I ain't gonna say all of them, but 90% of them got some form of coaching, somebody to hold them accountable. And at that level, they got money to pay for people for days. But when you first starting out, you just gotta find somebody that's trying to move in the right direction like you, to find somebody to hold you accountable. And I hate to say it, but it's just as simple as that. Stop making it harder than it has to be, and find your accountability partner. We was not designed to stand alone. We wasn't designed to do nothing alone. And joining the brotherhood is not weakness, it's structure. It's basically getting disciplined to say that you know you need structure in your life, and asking somebody, how did you structure this? How did you do that? To basically pull yourself up. And like y'all tell y'all all the time, come join my free community, because I'm giving the game. I'm giving it away. I want you to pull up, because it wasn't easy for me. But now that I've found the information, I want you to have it. But you got to step out of that isolation. You have to come looking for help. You got to want the help. It's almost like the old saying, if you land on the ground asking, help, 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 I want help, and I come along and I'm like, all right, and I put my hand out, but you want me to bend over and come all the way down, you gonna pull me down to the ground with you. But if I put my hand out, you got to start pulling up like you want some help. And that starts with, like I said, coming to join the community, going to download my free raw manual. That's just a free little, it's basically a discipline check for you. It helped me pull myself through. So I'm giving you the blueprint of what helped me pull up. But I'm not even going to stress on that. I just want y'all to understand, you are not alone. You are not in this fighting alone. I know the enemy got you playing tricks on your mind to make you think that you're out here in this world alone, but you are not alone. You have people that's pulling for you. We want to see you grow. But the question is, do you want to see yourself grow? Are you ready to make that commitment to yourself? So, like I said, y'all see the QR link. Go join the free community and meet up with us on the nights that we meet up, so we can talk through whatever you need to talk through, answer your questions, get you on the right track. But y'all already know what I like to say. Stay real, stay raw, stay grounded in your faith, and walk boldly in your purpose. Till the next time, y'all, I'm out.